pay me the ajame. I don't know what that me. Would the mommy via na would the come a kwame. Mama this what that time. So won't pay me the jamming, mommy cool. No be for fraud that time. Who jam me on one crime? Yeah, baby girl, make you not try me. Yeah, not try me. I never thought I was gonna be on this wave, cause I was ready to take a couple things to my grave. First off, let me clap for you, baby, you brave. But you can't pick and choose what to say, please behave. Or be on some so him if you wanna talk. You gotta tell the world every other nigga you fuck. You can't just play the victim and paint a picture like you were just looking for love. I'm all the dicks that you suck. I'm not gonna sit here and lie, we had a thing. First time I thought you were cool till I had a hint. Now me face the boys, I clock it with the baddest bitch. That's a sign of yin I so say Cuban links. I was trying to stay away from you, but then you came. What time is when you man, I'm the one to be blamed. Okay, of course, I thought that you were trying to start another drama. I'll be boy from the street, I know the game. Yes, I wasn't ready, but then I told you to keep it. What time is with school, I woke up, you gotta complete it. To be very honest, till today I don't believe it. Cause me, I'm a doctor, make sure you say you don't need it. After conversation, now that you sent me a text, so I down for me with Dr. B, but you know he's the best. So don't you make it seem like I was the one pushing you for abortion, cause that be the only part will make a vex. Yeah, someone pay me the ajame. I don't know what that me. Would the mommy via na would the come a kwame. Mama this what that time. So won't pay me the jamming, mommy cool. No be for fraud that time. Who jam me on one crime? Baby girl, make you not try me. Few weeks ago, you tried to set me up again. Or should I try my WhatsApp so you still go through the pain? But me knowing you, I kinda knew that you were really up to something. So I said that we should meet so you explain. The RNG meeting was sky back. What's the honey panadol? So I'm like, ah. And then you told me, like, I miss Amra with you, and I miss me. Now, miss Amisha with them, you like bad. Near work, can't pen no show son. Miss Amra with fear, your man, I don't know so. And then you are saying, near barbecue, I am a JD. Beman, I bet no me drain you. We know what it is, shorty just shits in the back. Cause after way, does it bring the happiness back? Take the blame, cause nobody gets the cost of a bad choice in life. Stop the personal attacks. First few hours, heard the book is doing well. Who is really shocked, cause everybody can tell. So it's not because the book is really good, but we're living in a world where negativity sells. I pray you get the healing that you need. Let me claim me good girl, you are for the streets. Strategy not hate, so buy him my G with two. Me, I'm a one cup of shop, I'm about to read. Someone pay me the ajame. I don't know what that me. Would the mommy via na would the come a kwame. Mama this what that time. Someone pay me the jamming, mommy cool. No be for fraud that time. Who jam me on one crime? Baby girl, make you not try me, make you not try me.